Okay, welcome back. We're looking at sitting gills 23575357, okay? And again, this is relevant work. Now, these numbers may change, but if the number changes, the knowledge is still relevant. That does not change. That is only improved upon by our own experience and our will to explore. Okay? Okay. We're looking at session 6 indices, and we can hopefully move on to that without that interruption from the buzzer. Outcome 1, okay? By the end of this outcome, you will have had the opportunity to identify and apply appropriate mathematical principles which are relevant to electrotechnical work tasks, okay? Revision engineering prefer the prefix method when using large or small numbers. In arithmetic operation, the order in which the operations are performed is critical. The order can be remembered by BODMAS or BIDMAS, okay? Now you can read for yourself, you don't need me to read that out to you, okay? Now again here, indices, introduction, whatever level of engineering that you are studying, there is a need for some knowledge of mathematics. Mathematics need not be daunting. Most of mathematics is a way of writing a long, complicated process down on paper using symbols instead of words. Often in mathematics, it is necessary to multiply a number by itself several times. To make this quicker, we use a shorthand method to indicate this. 4 times 4 is written as 4 squared, or 4 to the 2. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 becomes 4 to the 4. Okay? Right? Or if I, as I've done here, I've then looked at it as 4 to the 5, sorry, 2 to the 5, and I've brought this here simply to show you that 2 to the 5 is a matter of simply right now 2 times 2 times 2 to the 5, okay? Make sure I get it into view, okay? And that's the idea, okay? This is what they're saying here. Now, you need to write this out for yourself so you apply the principles in a manner that you can understand and grasp it overall, okay? Indices. Now to work out calculations using your calculator, you need to use the key y to the x. Now be aware that your calculators are modern calculators today. So y to the x may mean something else today differently, but it should still be a relevance to this, okay? Or now it could also be simply indicating x squared, okay, as well. But when I try my calculator, it's a different format. Each of your calculators may well function at a different format, but the principle of squaring should still be relevant and consistent, okay? There are a number of rules to follow when using indices. When any number is raised to a power, for example, 2 to the 3, the number 2 is the base, and the 3 is the index. Okay, so 2 is the base, 3 is the index. Okay, and here we have simply come out as 8. When no index is shown, then the base is to be raised to the power of 1. 2 to the 1 equals 2. The reciprocal of a number is when you divide 1 by that number. Okay? The reciprocal of a number when provided in index form is when the index is negative. And here we have the index where it is 2 to the minus 1, that will equal to 1 over 2. 5 to the minus 5, that will be equal to 1 over 5 to the 5. Okay. Is there anything further I can expand on this or try to simplify it in any way? Is there anything further I can do on that? No, not from my perspective. You will have to look at this and do the groundwork for yourself to make sure that you find your style of learning in order that it enables you to understand what's been said. Okay? Okay. Now, indices rule. When the base is raised to a fractional index, then the base is rooted. 2 to the half equals 2 squared. 81 and a quarter equals 81 to the 4. Now I'm just going to say to the 4. You will need to apply the correct procedure for yourself. I'm leaving it quite open, okay? Because each individual will have their own method of learning and remembering what that means and applying it for themselves. That becomes your style of learning, okay? Let me just try something here for myself. It's okay, I'm just trying to look at something here. Now, make it your business to find out how they got free, okay? How did they get free? What did they do? And the same again here. Look at this again carefully, okay? Four squared. You're looking for the square root of what? My method? Well, for me, 4 squared is 16. Find the square root of 16. Okay. but I'll leave that for you to sort out. When simplifying calculations involving different indices, a number of basic rules or laws can be applied. These are called the laws of indices. These are: when multiplying two or more numbers together which have the same base, then the indices are added. Here you have 3 to the 2 times 3 to the 4 equals 3 to the 2 plus 4 equals 3 to the 6. When dividing two numbers that have the same base, the indices are subtracted. And here you have 3, okay, 3 5 over 3 2 minus, that will leave you 3 5 minus 2. Leave you 3 to the 2. Okay, maybe I'm looking at this from a different angle. But okay, look at it and make sure that you understand the concept behind it. Maybe I'm trying to rush it at this point in time, but anyway, we'll see. When a number has an index of 0, its value is 1. 3 to the 0 equals 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Okay? Examples. 5 to the 2 times 5 to the 3 equals 5 to the 2 plus 3 equals 5 to the 5. 3 to the 2 times 3 to the 4 times 3 equals 3 to the 4, equals 3 to the 2 plus 4 plus 1 equals 3 to the 7. Now remember that this 3 here is simply 1. It's equal, just simply equal to itself 1. Here we have 2 times 2 to the 2 times 2 to the 5. That's 5, 6, 7. That should be 2 to the 8. Okay? Okay. Now let me just put that in, make sure that I can get that clear, and that is in quite view. Okay. And here we're dividing, so 7 to the 5 over 7 to the 3 minus 7 to the 5 minus 3 leaves me us 7 to the 2. 5 to the 7, 5 to the 4 equals 5 to the 7 minus 4 gives us 5 to the 3. Okay. Now again, there can be errors in these calculations, so allow for the fact that you're sure we look at the mathematics, especially engineering mathematics books. They are quite good, to use them. Okay. Exercise. Okay, so what is this? 3 to the 3 times 3 to the 4. So what's this going to be? Tell me. 4 to the 4, 4 to the 2 times 4 to the 3 times 4 to the 4. What's that going to be? Look at this for me again. You're dividing here. Okay. What is this going to be here? Okay, so I'm just leaving that for you to give you a little chance to do this yourselves. Okay, let's have a look at the answers. Oh, sorry. Yeah. That's there is 3 to the 7. This here is 4 to the 2 times 4 to the 3 times 4 to the 4 equals 4 to the 9. Equals 2 to the 18. Why 2 to the 18? Because here's divided by the 4 by 2 and multiplied by 2. Okay, that gives you a 4, 2 to the 18. 3, 7 to the 3, because here 7, 5 minus 2 will leave us 7 to the 3. Okay, now what happened here? Look at this here carefully, because here we have a bracket, 7 to the 2. Outside bracket is 3, so we multiply the 3 times 2, 3 to the 6. 3 times 2 is 6, so that becomes 7 to the 6. 2 to the 5 times 2, sorry, 2 to the 2 times 2 to the 5 is 2 to the 7 divided by 2 to the 4. Therefore, if 2 to the 7 minus 4 will leave you 3. 2 equals 2 to the 3. Okay? Now you need to do these for yourselves and be familiar as to how they're done. Okay? Practice, practice, practice. Okay? Now I hope you found this useful. And let me just make sure that I've gone back on this. And let me just step through my pages so that I can make sure that I got them all in line. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, good, excellent, thank you. I hope you found this useful, and have a good day. Bye bye for now.